Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into one of the most breathtaking countries in the world, Norway. From its jaw-dropping landscapes to its rich culture, there's so much to explore. So let's get started. First off, let's talk about Norway's stunning places. Picture this: majestic fjords, towering mountains, and pristine lakes. You can't miss the iconic Geirangafjord and the northern lights in Tromsø. And for the adventurers, the Lofoten Islands offer incredible hiking and fishing spots. Whether you're a nature lover or an adrenaline junkie, Norway has something for everyone. Now, on to education. Norway boasts one of the best education systems in the world. Schools here are focused on learning through creativity and exploration. Imagine studying in a place where nature is your classroom. Plus, higher education is often free for everyone, including international students. Sounds like a dream, right? Next up, the social and economic scene. Norway consistently ranks high in quality of life and happiness. The country has a strong economy, thanks to its natural resources like oil and gas. But don't worry, Norway is also at the forefront of clean energy and sustainability. Socially, Norwegians value equality, trust, and community. It's a place where everyone looks out for each other. Let's not forget the food. Norwegian cuisine is a mix of hearty and fresh. Think fresh seafood like salmon, cod, and shrimp. You've got to try traditional dishes like rakfisk, which is fermented fish, and the popular brown cheese brunost. For dessert, indulge in crumb cake, a Norwegian waffle cookie. Your taste buds will thank you. When it comes to culture, Norway is rich with traditions and modern influences. From the Viking heritage to contemporary art, there's a lot to explore. Visit the Viking Ship Museum in Oslo, or experience the vibrant music festivals throughout the year. And don't miss the chance to see traditional folk dances and listen to the soulful sounds of the Hardanger fiddle. Finally, let's talk about rules and regulations. Norway is known for its orderliness and respect for the environment. There are strict rules about recycling and preserving nature. Also, public spaces are clean and well maintained. And remember, it's important to follow local customs and regulations to show respect for the Norwegian way of life. So, whether you're planning a trip or just dreaming about it, Norway is a country that should be on your radar. Its natural beauty, rich culture, and welcoming people make it a must-visit destination. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. See you next time.